Hello guys, welcome to the channel Ads with Lovely. So today we will be covering the third part of our how to create media plan series. So today we will discuss how we can create a media plan for conversion phase campaigns where the goal is purchases or ROAS. So without wasting any time, let's just start. So platform we will mention Meta here. Objective will be sales. Campaign name you can put it accordingly. I'm writing ads with Lovely. Now for the conversion based campaigns, we will be using retargeting audience. I am mentioning RTG here. Ad format, I will go with DPAs. So I'm just mentioning DPA. And now let's say we will run the conversion based campaigns for 20 days only. Let's just drag and drop it. And then we will calculate the number of weeks, which will be days divided by 7. So it will be 2.9 weeks. Now, similarly, as we calculate the reach in awareness phase campaigns and traffic phase campaigns, we will do the same in conversion phase campaigns as well. So, reach will be audience size multiplied by the percentage of audience we want to reach, which is in our case 40%. So, we will have our reach here. For impressions, we will calculate it by reach multiplied by frequency here. The frequency I'm taking is 3 because in conversion phase we require more frequency, right? And then we will multiply it by number of weeks. So here this will be our impressions. And now for the budget, we will use the formula impressions divided by 1000 into CPM. And then we will have our budgets as well. Now let me just put the start date as um, 5th of May. And to calculate the end date, which will be start date plus the number of days or the duration. So till then we have followed the same process we followed for our awareness phase campaigns as well as our traffic phase campaigns. Now if you have noticed, there are two metrics that I have added which was not there in awareness phase and the traffic phase campaigns. The metric here is cost per purchase and the AOV. This will help us to calculate the number of planned purchases and the planned ROAS. So what I did is I just looked into the dashboard and taken the average cost per purchase of last 6 month data, right? And I have just added the same numbers over here with a little with the percentage with a small percentage of increase. Like if it was, let's say, the cost per purchase was 250, so I just added here 255. Okay. And for AOV, I have calculated the AOV per market. What is the average order value I'm getting from each market? It will help us to calculate the ROAS. So for purchases, to, what we just need to do is we need to take the budget and divide it by cost per purchase. That's how we will get our planned cost per purchases. And for ROAS, so purchase conversion value will be nothing but purchases multiplied by average order value, and from purchase conversion value we will calculate our planned ROAS, which will be purchase conversion value divided by budget. So this will be our ROAS. So this is how you also can create a media plan for your conversion phase campaigns and calculate the planned numbers to share it with the client. So yeah, third part of the video of the series is also completed. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comments below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Till then, take care. Bye.